Welcome to my lesson. It's called Probability, Lesson 8. This is on permutations. So a permutation is an arrangement of objects in a specific order. And the important thing here is order matters. Let's take the simple example of 10 runners finish a race. The order is going to matter. You've got first, second, third, on and on. It really depends on the order in which they finish. Now mathematically, we write this. The permutation, this is for n objects taken r ways, or ordered in r ways. So n is equal to the number of objects. In this case, it'd be the runners. If we want to know the first three, or this be r would be the number chosen. However, we want to arrange those 10. In this case, first, second, and third. Now, mathematically, we can write this. The permutation of n objects taken r at a time or ordered r at a time, n factorial over n minus r factorial, where n factorial is equal to n factorial of 0 is equal to 1. N factorial of 1 is equal to 1. N factorial of 2 is equal to 1 times 2 is equal to 2. N factorial of 3 is equal to 1 times 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And then on and on, but n factorial of 4 is equal to 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 is equal to 6 times 4, that's 24. So you can see it's just a multiplication, except the odd one here is 0. You would think 0 times 0 would be 0, but it's really 1 is the way it's defined. Because it has to do with probabilities, actually, or the ordering of things. Now let's look at a simple example. First of all, we're going to take this example of 3 objects chosen one at a time. So here's our 3 objects, the 1, 2, 3. Really all we can do, we take them one at a time. It could be, there's 1, 2, and 3. There's only 3 possible ways you can take 3 objects one at a time. So that makes sense. That's a good example of that. Taking 3 objects, one chosen at a time. Now let's take 3 objects. Let's take 2 at a time. So that's 3 factorial over 3 minus 2 factorial. 6 divided by, that's going to be a 1. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 factorial, so that's equal to 6. So now we're taking 3 objects, and we're choosing them 2 at a time. So let's do this to 1, 2, 1, 3. So we've got 1, 2, 1, 3. Now let's put the 2 in front. So we've got 1, 2, 2, 1. And then we have got 2, 3. Now we'll put the 3 in front. So we've got 3, 1. And we have got 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's the way of arranging those 3 objects taken 2 at a time. Now let's got 3 objects. Let's take the permutation of 3 at a time. 3 factorial over 3 minus 3 factorial. That's 6 divided by 1. That's also equal to 6. So now how many ways can we arrange these 3 objects taken 3 at a time? Well, there's the first way. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3. And then we have got 1, 3, 2. Now let's put the 2 in front. Now we've got 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. Rearrange it like this. And we have got 2, 3, 1. Now if we put the 3 in front, so we have got 3, 2, 1. Rearrange it like this. And we've got 3, 1, 2. So that's equal to 6. So that checks. We had 6 possible ways. So I hope you learned a little bit about permutations. It's used in probability quite a bit. It's a good thing to know about. There's your basic formula, your basic definition, and then here's some examples that we did with some cards. Hopefully that'll bring the concept home to you. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you got something out of it.